Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Anyashola Ogunede. Pioneering projects and launch demonstrations of on-orbit satellite license plates for illustrating critical orbital traffic control strategies. On on-orbit satellite license plates, imagine optical and passive tracking systems designed to uniquely identify spacecraft, mitigate orbital congestion, and prevent collisions in crowded low orbits are becoming a critical orbital traffic control priority. They are tied to spacecraft before launch. The primary systems and pioneering projects establishing on-orbit satellite license plates are extremely low-resource optical identifier, the satellite license plate, and Astroscale ELSA-d and cosmic magnetic and optical docking plates. Extremely low-resource optical identifier developed by Los Alamos uses small milliwatt power. Satellite license plate developed by TNO High-Tech Industry Unit is a passive scalable approach. Tested via ground-to-ground and simulation frameworks. Astroscale docking plates implemented by Astroscale on demonstration missions such as ELSA-d serve as standardized cooperative targets. NASA developed several alternative passive license plates. On-orbit satellite license plates have officially transitioned from theoretical concepts to active flight-proofing space technology. The focus points are as follows. Systems and projects pioneering on-orbit satellite plates and launch demonstrations of on-orbit satellite license plates. Systems and projects pioneering on-orbit satellite license plates. The current state of the art in space object identification leverages compact, pre-installed license plates to immediately distinguish newly launched satellites and track orbital debris. The absolute cutting edge of the spacecraft license plate field is defined by a shift from active electronic components to fully autonomous cross-compatible hardware architectures. Illustration of space traffic management system is shown in this picture. EROI, extremely low resource optical identifier, is a system developed by Los Alamos. It is the most prominent pioneering project in the satellite license plate field. It's a self-powered autonomous optical beacon roughly the size of a thick postage stamp. SpaceX Stargaze system designed to revolutionize space traffic management system is shown in this picture. The laser blinks in a specific unique sequence representing a serial ID number. Laser power beaming technology is shown in this picture. The deployment status. It has successfully launched and validated early generation flight hardware, such as the Array PC-104 prototype, flown on the NMSAT CubeSat mission. The key benefit, because it operates independently of the old satellite electronics, it keeps blinking and identifying space junk long after a satellite dies. A Rhino ground terminal is shown in this picture. Satellite license plate system is another system pioneering on-orbit satellite plates. It's a newer, completely passive system created by researchers at the TNO High-Tech Industry. A satellite with tag on board interrogated by a multi-wavelength laser beam is shown in this picture. The deployment status. TNO has successfully completed end-to-end theoretical simulations and kilometer-range free space ground tests. The benefit is require zero electrical power, zero onboard data, and minimal mass. Illustration of satellites owned by different companies is shown in this picture. Astroscale ELSA-d and cosmic magnetic and optical docking plates is a project pioneering on-orbit satellite plate. While strictly an orbital servicing system, rather than a universal optical beacon, Astroscale technology pioneered functional structural plates designed for cooperative tracking and capture. Space traffic management system shown in this picture. The license plate mechanism. The plate serves two functions. It features an optically controlled surface for guidance, navigation, and control tracking system. illustration of satellite in Earth orbit is shown in this picture. NASA's small spacecraft system also provide alternative tracking aids, which is a system pioneering on-orbit satellite system. For Alta Array, a stereo-mounted radio frequency identification tags that reflects specialized radio waves back to an interrogating ground radar. Prototype of Array is shown in this picture. Comparison of core identification system as follows: Array, satellite license plate, and docking plate. Long demonstration of on-orbit satellite license plates. The Array Space Object Tracking Unit demonstration of 2024. Two separate satellites outfitted with active Array Space Object Tracking Unit were launched on different rocket missions. The tracking unit were flight tested on the LIS-1 and R5 S4 satellites. Further space re-entry vessel is shown in this picture. The milestone result in both mission deployment, Array successfully achieved the first definitive identification of its satellite. The optical blinking signatures were detected and decoded by ground themes, far sooner than conventional space situational awareness. Orbit fire debris removal operation is shown in this picture. Tumbling test success on R5 S4 satellite, which lacked an active altitude control system and tumbled freely. The Array beacon automatically powered up via its integrated solar cells. ELSA's illustration of design for removal is shown in this picture. Astroscale ELSA-d magnetic and optical docking plate is another launch demonstration. Launched in March 2021, the mission consisted of two satellites launched together, a servicer and a client. Integrated end-of-life orbit system is shown in this picture. ELSA-d magnetic and optical docking plate of 2021. The clay satellite was equipped with a flat, lightweight docking plate featuring specialized optical fiduciary markers and retroflectors. The milestone result: during on-orbit operations, the servicer successfully used the sensors to visually recognize, track, and align with the docking plates. Just a passive orbital debris removal demo is shown in this picture. Upcoming and ongoing flight roadmaps: Astroscale SM and Cosmic D. Building on 2021 ELSA-d flight data, updated iteration of standard capture plates are flying on active debris removal demonstration missions to establish standardized commercial-ready plates for all future low Earth orbit constellations. Astroscale Space Debris Removal System is shown in this picture. TNO Passive Satellite License Plate, following highly successful ground tests, would prove unpowered. Spectrally encoded cubic mirrors could alter and reflect ground-based lasers. The Netherlands Organization for Applied Scientific Research is working with commercial launch providers to secure an orbital slot. Growing threat of space debris is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to pioneering projects and launch demonstrations of on-orbit satellite license plates for illustrating critical orbital traffic control strategies by Dr. Ayenshola Ogundele, with the focus point: systems and projects pioneering on-orbit satellite plates and launch demonstration of on-orbit satellite license plates. Thank you.